Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to cancel Mailchimp subscription using these easy steps. So when you log into your Mailchimp, the first thing you need to do is to go over to the top right corner where you have your profile icon or your initial. Click on it, and when these options drop down, you're going to go over to account and billing. Now you will have some options here. You need to go over to settings. This is also a drop down, and you're going to go down to manage my plan. Under Manage My Plan, you're going to scroll down to see two main options. The first option is to temporarily pause your marketing plan. You could do this by clicking on Pause My Plan if you are on a subscription. But if you're not on a subscription, this option will be grayed out. The other option is to permanently delete your account. You can go over to Delete My Account, click on it, and then you have a pop-up for confirmation. You can click on Continue to Delete. And right here, you will need to verify that it's you by confirming your account password and typing delete with all capital letters. When this is done, you need to click on permanently delete. And when you do this, the process of canceling your Mailchimp subscription will be processed. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.